Hello guys and welcome to another MK Mobile card pack opening video. I haven't done one for a while and as you can see I have some 75,000 souls. Now the idea is I'm going to spend them all, or actually I'm not going to spend them all because I am certain that I will be able to max Black Dragon Erron Black before I get to 75,000 souls spent. So the point is, I want to max Black Dragon Erron Black. I regard him as one of the best characters to have maxed out. Why is that? It is simple, because he can give you bonuses in almost every single faction war season, or let's say every single one of them. He is a nobat, he belongs to every single class, so he is very useful, even more useful than Classic Raiden when it comes to being versatile and when it comes to being a character that can boost your faction war score in every single season. So this is the reason why I'm going full throttle, pedal to the metal. I'm going to spend whatever needs to be spent in order to max Black Dragon Erron Black. And by the way, before we start, you're going to be seeing timestamps somewhere about now telling you when is the time of the video when I will eventually max him out, and it will be clear how many souls I have spent in the process. So once again, let's rock.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in the way. I'm free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in the shade, going louder. We are all one color, standing in the way. Join the army of the shadow. 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 Join the army of the shadows. Shadows, shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Going harder. We are more than numbers. Standing in the shade. Going louder. We are all one color. Standing in the way.
Devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand. Call
Take a seat, you cannot stand it. All I know, the flow harder than a scotch bonnet. Don't try studying me, you cannot manage. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
Yeah, you better listen. I'm bringing heat, you'll be a fan when I start rapping. Way I'll have your fucking head spinning. I'm known as spit vicious, release bombs and go tick tick. Boom, you blown me that head missing. I'm a phenomenon, stacking cheese like it's Parmesan. 8 different flows, call me Octomom. I'm moving fast like the Autobahn, and I'm independent, so I'm not your fucking starving like it's Ramadan. Sick, twisted, gifted, can't copy, printed, can't hold me down. I shape shift, I'm liquid. I killed this beat, I might get convicted. They know how I move, it was predicted. Persistent, spoke it into existence, so consistent, no assistance. Hear me once, become addicted. If I rap it, then I live it. There's no cap when I be speaking this.
This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon. This ain't what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. While we're so ashamed to be alive, break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. talk behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in the way. Join the army of the shadows. 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 Shadows, shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in the way.
So what is the aftermath? I spent some 54,000 souls roughly. However, you have to keep in mind that I also sold tons of packs for souls, so the price of the pack wasn't 300 and something, it was less for me because I have all gold characters maxed out, or at least the ones that you can obtain through challenges, the ones that are present in those packs. So I didn't spend 50 something, I think I spent, if I have to count the sellbacks, something like 70,000 souls. The bottom line is that you can max out a diamond character for about 70,000 souls if you're lucky. Now, it is true that this pack has only two options, Black Dragon, Erron Black and Hailspawn Scorpion. And I think that I got about 12 or 13 resales of Hailspawn Scorpion, so if I didn't have him at all, then definitely by now I would have maxed him out. So it is possible to max out a character for 70,000 souls. Of course, if the park is discounted. If the park isn't discounted, then I don't want to test this at all. Point being is, guys, you have to save souls and then you have to spend them on discounted packs, and you can see that you can max out a character from 0 to 11 in 70,000 souls. It is perfectly possible. Now, was it worth spending 50,000 souls on Black Dragon Erron Black? I would say yes. You have to understand that I have almost all characters maxed out, and there won't be many packs that will give me chance to get a character that I really want to max out. For example, I would take Shang Tsung, but I don't even have him. I would take Rain, but I don't even have him. So I know that if I want to max either of those, it will take me a lot of time. However, I regard Black Dragon Erron Black as better card in general for survival mode compared to Rain and Shansung, because once again he can fit in every single season, and that's really important. So the final verdict is I managed to max this guy for about 53 or 54,000 souls. I was incredibly unlucky because I got a lot of MK, not MK, but Hellspawn Scorpions in the process, and I wished it was vice versa. But it is what it is. I just have to accept the fact that I have only 23,000 souls left now. Okay guys, this is going to be all from me for today. See you next time. Take care and stay safe.
Perfect.